off. He's coming towards me now. Hey! He's coming right at my patrol vehicle. Hey! Stop! Stop now! He's coming at me. Stop! He's still moving. Go at the whole car. Stop right there! Stop!
We got one at gunpoint. He's got his hands in the air.
Every police use of force is measured against one constitutional question. Was the force objectively reasonable? Under the Fourth Amendment, that standard, not emotion, and not hindsight, governs this analysis.
And he's taking off. He's coming towards me now. Hey! He's coming right at my patrol vehicle. Hey! Stop! Stop now! He's coming at me. Stop! Get on the ground! Stop there! He's still moving. Go at the whole car. Stop right there! Stop! Get on the ground! Stop! Do not move! Henderson Police, do not move! Do not move! Get cover here. Come this way, sir. Do not!
We got one at gunpoint. He's got his hands in the air. Hey! Can you hear us? Kill. Hey! Can you hear us? Okay, he's moving. Okay, we shot. I'm pretty sure he's hit. So we're probably gonna have to, hey, keep your hands up! Hey, start crawling out toward us. I'm gonna go get a shield. All right, we're gonna try to get him to crawl out toward us.
You need me to grab the 40?
Let me go.
Who shot?
I shot.
Okay,
I shot.
I
I shot and Jacob shot.
Okay, I will be hands. You're gonna stay lethal. You see us, you're gonna stay lethal.
Copy, thank you. Go ahead.
Do we have a 40?
Yeah, let me get a 40.
Get a 40.
I got one. Load one in there.
The controlling authority is Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989. The Supreme Court held that reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene at the moment of the decision. Three factors drive that inquiry: the severity of the crime, the immediacy of the threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting or attempting to flee. Deadly force adds a further requirement. Under Tennessee versus Garner, 1985, an officer must have probable cause to believe the subject poses a significant threat of death or serious physical harm. A vehicle can satisfy that threshold. In Plumhoff versus Rickard, 2014, the court recognized that a vehicle driven to endanger officers presents a grave public safety risk that can justify deadly force. Scott versus Harris, 2007, reached the same conclusion, treating a vehicle used recklessly as a deadly weapon, in fact. Applied to these facts, a multi-ton front loader driven toward officers is the clearest form of a vehicle as weapon threat the case law contemplates. The severity factor is met because driving heavy equipment at a person is itself a violent felony. The immediacy factor is met because the threat is not theoretical, but moving. and the resistance factor is met by sustained noncompliance. On these elements, the deadly force decision sits inside the constitutional standard.
We still have one at gunpoint. We're giving them commands. All right. What do you want here? You go shield. And then make sure you glove up. Who's going to be hands-on? Glove up.
I'm going to be hands-on.
All right.
Keeping my gun.
Hey, next incoming unit. Hey, what street are we on?
Taylor, we're on Taylor.
Hey, I need Taylor shut down north of us. All right, let's crawl it.
You're lethal. You're 40. Yes. I'm going to give him verbal commands. Sergeant, your backup hands on if I need it.
Yeah, I'm going to get gloves on.
Megan, just sit in the back there. Stay on lethal, Megan. All right, listen, sir. You're going to slowly climb out of the bulldozer, come down those steps, and get down on your knees.
You understand? Let's go.
Hey, keep your hands where we can see them. Get out of the bulldozer slowly. I can't hear you. Climb out of the bulldozer slowly.
Alviso, give them Spanish ones.
Salte del carro ahorita, con las manos arriba.
Can you get a good shot on the 40 from there?
Not really. Can you move to where you are?
Yeah, come over here.
Jacob, let's go to you.
Louder, Alviso.
Salte del carro.
What's he saying? Hey! Hey! Exit!
Hey, we got vehicles trying to come down Taylor. Next incoming, we need you to block Taylor at Warm Springs.
Keep your hands up.
Junior 21, can you handle that?
Do not put your hands down.
Hey, you need to come this way, to us. What's he saying?
Get out of the bulldozer slowly.
If he touches the front thing again, I'd 40 him or what?
The thing, yeah, we're going to 40 him. But what's he saying? Come here!
Nevada law frames the criminal exposure. Under Nevada revised statutes, Section 200.010, read with the attempt statute, Section 193.330, an intentional act to kill that falls short of death supports a charge of attempted murder. The deadly weapon enhancement, Section 193.165, attaches because Nevada defines a deadly weapon by its use and a vehicle driven at people qualifies. Grand larceny of a motor vehicle arises under Section 205.228 and resisting a public officer under Section 199.280.
Yeah, I think we're going to have to. Yeah, so, hey, someone, I want someone on that side in case he goes mobile again. And we're just going to go up there and we're going to hands up.
Hands up.
But someone stay lethal. Jacobs, can you get lethal?
Listen to me. If we're going to climb up, I don't want lethal behind me though. Okay.
Just communicate with us.
Listen, who's going up? Sarge, going up?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Hey, if you just watch this hand reach through that jacket.
What's up?
Did he go with him or what?
Huh? Hey!
Yeah, go ahead.
Take your hand
Go ahead.
out of your jacket! Take it right in now!
We're still giving commands. He's inside the bulldozer. Bulldozer's not moving. His hands are up. He's refusing to come out. Hey, hey, Okami, come here. Never mind. We got there. So his hands are up. He's just refusing to come out, so we're eventually going to go up there. We don't know about any weapons, but we're just going to go. He's not refusing. Yeah, can you be hands-on? Yeah. Here. Yeah. I got Okami going with you.
Okay, Okami.
You're going to get shot again if you put your hands down.
Hey, we're moving up.
We're moving up. Do not reach for anything.
The constitutional duty does not end with the last shot. Once a threat is neutralized, the justification for deadly force expires, and officers must pivot to containment and medical care. The proportionality principle in Graham requires force to track the threat as it changes. Continued force against an incapacitated subject would convert a lawful seizure into an excessive one. The closest legal question is not the shooting, but the extraction. A forced removal from elevated equipment creates a foreseeable risk of injury to officers and subject alike. This is primarily a tactical judgment, not a constitutionnelle violation, but departments are wise to weigh continued containment against the predictable hazards of a physical extraction at height.
Help Brown when he comes down.
I got hands on when he comes down.
Hey, 40 is ass.
Brown, watch out. Hold up.
Lethal down. 40 deployed. Let's go!
Get out.
40 was deployed. He's still uncooperative. We're working on getting him out. 40 again. There you go. Come on, bring it.
Watch your steps, son.
You need to come.
Come on. Hey, watch out!
Yeah.
Move out of there! Get out of here! Watch your foot! Chloe!
Hey, he's gonna be out. Get up. You're watching Hey, expedite medical to start.
Stand over there. Relax. Get him.
Turning to the grades, the analysis is as follows. The first officer earns an A- for issuing commands before force, firing only against an advancing vehicle, and moving off the line of attack. The supervising sergeant earns a B+ for justified force, and strong scene command, tempered by the elevated round count and responsibility for the extraction. The department earns a B for disciplined containment undercut by a high-risk removal. The subject earns an F, conduct fully consistent with the attempted murder charges he now faces. Two lessons stand out from this encounter. First, a vehicle becomes a deadly weapon the instant it is aimed at a person, and the law treats it accordingly. Second, when a subject is contained and no longer mobile, patience is often safer than force. The injuries here came not from the gunfire, but from the rush to extract. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.